Morning, beautiful people, and welcome to Safano Farm. It's a beautiful morning in Safano Farm. As you can see, my beds, they are very healthy. These are just 6 weeks old beds, 6 weeks, and they are actually doing beautifully. So, this morning note, I actually want to teach you how to vaccinate your beds. There has been a lot of different kind of idea about vaccinations. Some people say it's good, some people say it's not good. But this morning we'll be talking about vaccinations, and make sure you are with us. Watch the video to the end so that you can actually learn so much concerning your poultry beds. And for my 10 subscribers, I love you guys. Those you guys watching my video, I love you sincerely. I do love you. And for you just watching this video for the very first time, please do well to hit that subscription button, hit the like button, and also hit the notification button so you will not miss out in the next video. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go into vaccination. Welcome back to the channel. So this morning, as you can see, that my water tank is very empty. Why? I actually stopped them from drinking water for the past 3 hours because I needed to vaccinate them. Because if I did not stop them from drinking water, they will not be tasty. Right now, they are actually super tasty, super tasty. Because I want the vaccination to go smoothly, and each and every one of them just have at least a drop of that vaccinated water in their mouth. This morning I'll be vaccinating them against Newcastle disease. I'll be giving them the Lasota vaccine. What is Newcastle disease? Newcastle disease is a very contagious disease that is caused by Paramaso virus. Now, that virus has the ability to give our birds various kinds of disease. Now, once you are vaccinating your bird, you are giving your birds awareness against that disease. So anytime that disease break out into your farm, your birds will have grown a lot of immunity to fight against that bird, because we have various kind of vaccinations. We have the eye drop, we have the neck injection, we have the injection underneath the arms, that's the feather of the bird, different kinds of vaccination. But today we will just be doing water drop. So I'll be dropping my vaccine inside the water and giving them to actually drink. Now, this vaccine actually comes in various doses. We have 100 dose, 200 dose, 300 dose, and like that. Now, and there's something you must take note when vaccinating your birds. Make sure that your vaccines is actually in a very cold place, at least 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. If your vaccine is not delivered to you being cold, that means that vaccine will not actually do the right job of vaccinations to your birds. It was delivered this morning and it was cold, kind of cold, so I just have to bring it out for you to see. Now, so this actually 100 dose of Lasota vaccine. I have 96 beds here, 96 beds and 100 dose. It's okay when they take more than enough than taking lesser dose of the vaccine. So all I need to do is to get these 3 liters of water, because I want them to drink very fast. I need to pour this vaccine in this 3 liters of water, then put it in my drinking jar for every one of them to drink comfortably. Now, let me remind you, vaccination is not a cure for biosecurity. Now, because you have vaccinated your birds, that does not mean you should not follow the law of biosecurity bit by bit, time after time. It is important that you follow that biosecurity law. And secondly, that doesn't mean you should just expose your birds to various kind of diseases on your farm. I know most of us have an issue of always bringing other birds from other poultry into our farm. That is not good enough, because you don't know the state of that bird. So reduce visitation into your birds, because virus can be attached to clothes, to arms, to shoes, getting into your poultry farm, then it can break out into your beds. Now, Newcastle disease is a very contagious disease. It's highly destructive. Why? Because once no cattle disease break out into your farm and it actually affected one of your birds. Now, any bird that come in contact with that bird, like even just coming very close to that bird, is already affected. So you need to always vaccinate your bird, especially when you're in Africa. Most people will say, I don't vaccinate my bird, I don't do this, I don't do that. Wow, maybe because of where you are. But in Lagos, Africa, when you have poultries around, you need to be very careful. So Newcastle disease should not break out on your farm, and it can actually destroy at least 50% of your poultry bed. So guys, let's go on with the vaccination. So all you need to do is to just open your vaccine. Very easy. You actually don't need a vet to actually do this. And there's something about Lasuta vaccine. When it comes to laying beds like this, Lasuta vaccine also increase the immunity in laying. For once you vaccinate your beds, for the next 3 months, your beds will lay. At least you have your 98% production. It will not allow your beds to actually reduce their egg production. So that's another benefit of your Lasuta. So I've actually put it in water, then I shake. After shaking it, then I turn it back in the water. So you see, that is all. Everything is out. So all I need to do now is to turn it in my water tank for my birds to take. Now, after doing this, you need to make your birds aware that there is water. Now, because it's an automatic drinking system. See, I just have to manage my space, it's not that big. It's an automatic drinking system. You need to make them aware that there's water. Then how we're going to do that is just to touch the nipple drinker. Once they see water drop out from one place, you can see most of them are already aware and they're already drinking. Most of them are drinking already. So what you just need to do, just touch it when water is coming out and they are good. Now, once 90% of your birds can actually drink from this water, then you're good. Even if at least 10-15 of them did not drink, that is not actually affecting them anymore. Those one underneath too, they are all aware that there's water already, so they're actually good to drink. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope I've been able to add a bit of knowledge to you concerning vaccinations. So one of these days when I'll be giving them my other vaccines, I will also let you know to know how it's gonna go. So thank you so much. God bless you. I love you guys.